Hello YouTube, my name is Azaz Patel and I am from webhub.blogspot.com. Welcome to the part 5 of e-commerce website development in PHP with PDO. In last tutorial, we creating a header for our website. In this tutorial, we will create a navigation menu for our website. So go to your source code and after end of our header, create one div and give the id equal to navbar. Close it and give the proper comment end of navbar. Inside navbar we create a UL and inside UL we create some LIs. We need a tag inside li. Give the hash tag close and say categories. Just simply copy this li and paste it. Again paste it again and again. Change the name categories to birthday, then gifts for him, then flowers, then gifts for her. Again change it and say the brand. One more li we needed and give the name like offer zone. Okay, we don't need it here, so remove it. Let's take a view. Okay, LIs are coming. Now we need to style up them. So go to your style sheet and first of all set the height width of navbar div. Width will be 100%. Height will be 35 pixel and background will be B43104. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, navbar is coming, but we need some more height, so say 40 pixel. Okay, now good. Now we need to set these LIs. So come back to your CSS and say navbar ULLI. Okay, padding will be 1%. Okay, float will be left. Let's take a look. Okay, perfect, but we need to remove these bullets. So go to your style sheet and say hash navbar ul list style type none. Check it. Okay, now we need to decorate our text. So first of all we need to remove the underlines. So say has navbar have some ul, inside ul some li and a tag. So say text decoration will be none. Okay, and so color will be white FFF and its font size will be around 14 pixel. Refresh and check. Okay, good, nice. Okay, now we need to change the background when someone hover on our allies. So go to your style sheet, say new bar ULLI hover, background will be FF 4000. Let's check, refresh it. Okay, look at this, perfect, background is coming, all are perfect now, but we need to add one border on the top side because our header color and this background color will be match. Let's change the color and say 000. What about black color? Okay, it's also good and looking so nice. Okay, so okay, we use our black color, but we also need one border from top, so say border top 1 pixel solid has FFF. Actually we need 3 pixel border. Save it, refresh it and check it. Okay, but look at this, the problem there are the problem, our background overwrite our new bar, so we need to fix it. How can we fix it? Go to your new bar and say overflow hidden. We use this property and take a refresh. Okay, now look at here, our background is now not overwrite our header, so it is fixed now. Now we need to create a slider section. So come back to your source code, and after new bar we create one new and give the ID equal to body part. Okay, then end of. Okay, just not body part, we use body left, end of body left. Okay, inside body tag we create one div and give the ID equal to slider. End of slider. Okay, inside slider we use image for slider rotation. We have some images inside our images folder, and we have its subfolder slider/1.jpg. Close the image tag and check the image. Our image is here. Look at here, images folder, and we have a slider subfolder, and we have one image like one. Okay, so now let's check. Slider image is coming, but we need to design it. So first of all we need one more div for our advertisement. So give the body right, and now give the proper comment, end of body right. Okay, now we need to style up them. So come back to your CSS and say body left first. Its width will be 70%. Okay, not 70%, actually 68%. Okay, background will be has FFF, and okay, it's margin, we use margin here. All side 1%, we need a margin from all side 1%. And one most important thing, its float will be left. Just simply copy this by Ctrl C and paste it from here, and change the ID name body left to body right. Change the width, it should be a 23%. Here we don't need from left side margin, so say we use clockwise margin, so 0% from top, 1% from right, 1% from bottom, and 0% from left. Okay, we also need top side. So look at here, it is a clockwise margin. First one for top, then right, then bottom, and then left. Okay, let's refresh and check. Okay, look at here, but body right is not coming perfectly. Okay, because of we doesn't have any content in body right, so it's not displayed right now. If we add some contents, then it's so. But first of all, we need to border radius 3 pixel. Just copy this and paste it here. Refresh and check. Okay, now look at here, border, our border is radius from all side. Now let's give some height. For our example purpose, we remove this height because we does not declare any height in any tag, because we use height always auto. Okay, look at now our body left section is body right section is coming, but we need some width of body right. So say what about 25%? Refresh it and check it, not perfect. Okay, let's declare the height here 70%. Refresh it. Okay, it's better now, but we need here 72%. Again refresh it. Okay, now it should be perfect and better. Now we need to set our slider image. So come back to your slider section. So we have one ID in slider, so its width will be 100% and its height will be around 350 pixel. Okay, 350 pixel. Refresh and check. Okay, come back and give the slider image its width same as our slider width 100% and height will be 350 pixel and it should border radius 3 pixel. Refresh and check. Okay, now look at here, perfect, nice coming. Now we need to add some header description here. So say h2 tag, we use h2 tag and say deals of the day. Refresh and check. Okay, deals of the day is coming. Now we need to format this, design this. So come back to your body left and say if body left have some h2, then its background will be as ff 4000 and its height should be around 30 pixel and width will be 100% is perfect. Now we need to text align center. Refresh and check. Okay, coming, but we need color white, so say color has FFF. Refresh it. Okay, perfect coming. Now we need some more height, 40 pixel. Refresh it. Okay, now better, but we need some space from top to bottom. Okay, so go to h2 tag and declare the line height. Line height is important property, 40 pixel, because our main height is 40 pixel, so we use line height exact of our height 40 pixel. refresh it. Now it's looking better, but observe here are some radius occur here, so we need to remove radius from image, and we say only border bottom left 3 pixel and border bottom right 3 pixel. Okay, let's take a look. Now it is fixed. Look at here, our border is not radius perfectly, so let's check. Okay, border bottom left, we need to declare radius, and also we need the radius here. Refresh it. Now look at here, border radius are coming, but it's only from top right, bottom right and bottom left. Now we need to declare our border radius from top left of our h2 tag. So simply just copy these two by Ctrl C and paste it from here by Ctrl V. Okay, and change the bottom to top, and also change from here top. Now refresh it. Okay, now look at here, perfect. Now we need to same as here we need one title, so simply coming to body right and say h2 tag, h3 tag, we use here h3 tag, and say rate views. Refresh it. Okay, look at here, coming, but we need to format this. Come back to your style sheet, simply just copy this and paste it from here and change the body left to body right. Let's take a look. Nothing happened. Okay, h3 not h2. Again refresh. Okay, now perfect and looking good. Now let's create a footer. So come back here and say div id equal to footer, give the proper comment, end of footer, close it, refresh it. Okay, not refresh now. We use h4 tag. Okay, just paste some copyright information and use $copy for copyright symbol. Okay, just refresh and check. Look at here, our footer is coming, but we need to format this. So again copy this, but first of all we need to declare some height and width of our footer. So footer will be width 100% and its height will be around 35 pixel. Okay, and background is also has FF 4000. Just refresh and check. Okay, our background is coming here because look at here, because of our we need to clear the float from body right. So after body right we create a BR. Okay, sorry, BR clear equal to all. Just refresh it. Okay, look at now it's better, but we need to format our 4 tag. So come back here and say has footer have some h4, so its text align will be center and its color will be has FFF, which means white. Okay, look at this. But now we need to some spaces from top, so we use line height property. Line height and exact line height of our footer height is 35 pixel, so we use 35 pixel. Now refresh. Okay guys, our section is ready now. So guys, this is enough for today. If you guys are like my videos, then like and share, and if you have any question in your mind, then comment below. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because it is very benefit for you for latest update of my channels. So guys, stay connected with me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.